This is question 12 from quiz 4, the team version, which is blue. Again, you'll want to have the question in front of you to see all the information. I don't want to have to write it all down here. Here you're given a bunch of information and you're asked to find what investment spending is. And the way we're going to do that, so essentially you're trying to get to a point where you can figure out what investment is, and you know that GDP is consumption, government spending, plus investment. Net exports are zero, so we just ignore that. So you're after investment. Now the problem is you're not given what income is or GDP. You do know consumption and you do know government spending. So what we're going to do is try to use the information they give us to figure out what income is. And the way we're going to do that is we're told that private savings is equal to 600. And I know that private savings is equal to income minus net taxes minus consumption. And I'm given information on net taxes and I'm given information on consumption. So I can use that information to essentially solve this equation. So what I'm going to do then is set this up. 600 is going to be equal to income, and that's what I'm after, minus net taxes. Net taxes are going to be government tax collections, which are 800, minus transfers, which are 300. And interest on debt is 0, so I can ignore that. So that's net taxes. Now I get the consumption, and consumption is 7,000. So using this relationship, I just reorganize it. I'm trying to solve for income. So income is going to be 600 plus 7,000 plus 500. And all I did there is isolate y. So that gives you income is equal to 8,100. Now I'm going to go back to this equation with this 8,100. I'm basically going to take this and substitute it right there. So if I do that, I'm going to get 8,100 is equal to consumption, which is 7,000, plus government spending, which is 1,000, plus investment. And it's the investment is what I'm after here. So now I know how to solve that. Isolate investment. Investment's going to be equal to 8,100 minus 8,000, and that gives me investment equals 100. And that goes into the blank as it's not a multiple choice. All right, I hope that helps.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.